Hey guys, Zach Bartle here at Bowling RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today we are going to do a 2024 Flagstaff 372 RL. We're going to start off on the inside and then we'll do the outside, see what you guys think about it. Just a reminder for everybody as well, we do have an indoor show coming up here in Duluth, Minnesota from February 9th through the 17th from 8:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Free lunch, free parking. Come on in, take a look at all our new floor plans, all the new units and Flagstaffs we got in. Talk to some salesmen and just get some general information on RVs and maybe leave with your favorite one. But before we get into that, let's take a look at this unit. So right off the bat, nice bench chair combo here for the dinette area. So I double check here, a little bit of storage in there. Pull this chair out here, and those also lift up there. A little bit of storage here above the TV and entertainment system. Just right above a nice fireplace, which does put out heat and does the ambiance. Nice cool little feature here as well about this TV. Little lever right there, pops it open, and a nice little storage area back here for whatever you might want to use it for. Move over to the hideaway bed here, couch. Nice new little feature on this one. You only have to pop up one side at a time. So if you just want people sleeping, you ain't throwing the whole couch into a bed. Easy to put away, easy to assemble. Nice big bay window here in the back. Nice charging ports down below here. And right across from the theater seating, right across from the entertainment system is the theater seating. Nice cup holders here. This is reclining. Let's see if we can get that out for you. Nice reclining. Nice big window right behind. Take a look at the kitchen a little bit before we go into detail on it. Nice big oven here. No problem getting a turkey in there. Beautiful 3-burner stove. Nice LED lights on the turns. Nice big microwave. Along with plenty of storage. Alright. Island. It's got ventilation that comes out of it for your heat and AC. Beautiful cabinetry. Nice big sink on top. With a nice detachable faucet. More plugins on the other side here. Take a look at this refrigerator. See if we can figure out how to open it on this one. There we go. Nice big refrigerator section here. And a nice big freezer section down below. It does go down further. And there is an ice maker as well. Nice big pantry with motion sensing lights in it. So even more storage up above here. Plenty more storage down here. And above. It's a nice LED light strip above there. Let's take a look up in the bedroom and bathroom. Got your medicine cabinet, nice sliding glass door to the shower here. Seated it as well. A little bit of storage in here. So actually pretty deep, I can't reach to the back on that. Nice toilet, along with Access to plumbing and a little bit of storage underneath the sink. Head into the bedroom. Nice big king bed. Access to the bed from both sides. You're not rolling over anybody in the middle of the night when you got to use the bathroom. His and her windows with charging ports on both sides of the bed. Got a massive wardrobe here, which does have washer and dryer hookups on the inside, and plenty of storage down the row here. Up above, and we'll take a look at these. And a couple drawers down below here. Nice 32-inch TV right across from the bed, along with a small little dresser area and a couple windows. This unit is just under 11,000 pounds. 1,100 would be insane. But further ado, one last look around the inside and we'll take a look on the outside. Nice lighting up above the island here. There is 2 ACs in this unit, along with ceiling fan and that storage above the hideaway couch here in the back. There is ventilation through this as well, so any heat or AC will come out of those instead of just the unit itself. But let's go outside and take a look. Solid step stairs right off the bat. This unit does have 2 awnings, one 10-foot and one 11-foot, with both with LED light strips at the base of them. Nice big outside kitchen on this one. These are all metal with the nice refrigerator on the outside. Move down a little bit. I always like showing off the door here because it shows some very interesting information on the unit. Pause the video at any time to look at that a little bit more slowly, but let's get a move on. There's your water heater here. Massive pass-through storage underneath here with motion sensor lighting. And I believe slam latches. 2 30-pound propane tanks. Nice big front cap here with your LED lights. Let's move down here. Nice little bit of storage here, but generally for your battery hookups in here. Your battery disconnect is going to be right there as well. Let's take a look on the other side here. A couple more slides. Each one of these slides on the unit, all 3 of them do have slide toppers included. On this one specifically, it was an option that we had added on before it got delivered. There's another propane tank here, and the other side of that pass-through storage, along with electronic leveling system right here. Outside shower. You got your drains down below here. Do have a little door right here. Good access to, I'm going to say, right behind the refrigerator here if you need to get easy access to it. We're going to have frameless windows. Another spray port here. This is a 50 amp service due to the 2 ACs in the unit. Ladder up to the top. Also prep for backup cam. This specific one does have a towing package on it for rating up to 300 pounds. More of those frameless windows there. Those are the slide toppers up above each slide there. Again, guys, this is Zach Bartle, Bowling RV. This has been the 2024 Flagstaff 372 RL. If you guys want some more information about this, you guys can get a hold of me. at 218-740-4997. And again, guys, we have a big show coming up. Come on, take a look. It's going to be from February 9th to February 17th, 8:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Free food, free parking. Come on down, introduce yourself, and we'd be glad to see you guys. Again, have a good one.